Hi, in this video, we'll talk about the Marvel CLC promo codes for September. So, in order to redeem promo code, you just need to enter right here your code, and I have in here a list of code. So, I am social grants you 846 crystals. This code right here will provide you 495 crystals and 5,197 resources, which is valid until October 18th. For this code, it offers 9,261 resources and 318 crystals. This is valid until October 1. This code right here gives 721 crystals and 8,271 resources, valid until October 27. This code right here provides 615 crystals and 5,971 resources and is valid until September 22. So hurry up. In order to redeem it, you need to open your Contest of Marvel Champions app and go to the settings menu, select the redeem code that you want based on this list, and then after that, enter the code and confirm to receive your rewards from right here. I'll just pause in here for a second for you to actually get this code. So that's all the Marvel Single Fee promo codes for September. I hope this video helped you out.